Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Introduction to Information Technology. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCom Computer Application course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss generation of computers. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. A generation of computers refers to the specific improvements in computer technology with time. In each new generation, the circuits became smaller and more advanced than the previous generation circuits. There are 5 generations of computers. First generation computers, that is from 1946 to 1959. The first generation computers were slow, huge and expensive. In these computers, vacuum tubes were used as the basic components of CPU and memory. These computers were mainly dependent on batch operating system and punch cards. Magnetic tape and paper tape were used as output and input devices in this generation. Some of the popular first generation computers are ENIAC, EDVAC, IBM 701 and IBM 650. Advantages and disadvantages of second generation computers. Advantages: it made use of vacuum tubes, which are the only electronic component available during those days. These computers could calculate in milliseconds. Disadvantages: these were very big in size. Weight was about 30 tons. These computers were based on vacuum tubes. These computers were very costly. It could store only a small amount of information due to the presence of magnetic drums. Very less work efficiency. Not reliable and constant maintenance is required. Second generation computers, that is from 1959 to 1965. The second generation was the era of the transistor computers. These computers used transistors which were cheap, compact and consuming less power. It made transistor computers faster than the first generation computers. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as the primary memory and magnetic disk and tapes were used as the secondary storage. Assembly language and programming languages like COBOL and Fortran and batch processing and multi-programming operating systems were used in these computers. Some of the popular second generation computers are IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604 and UNIVAC 1108. Advantages and disadvantages of second generation computers. Advantages: due to the presence of transistors instead of vacuum tubes, the size of electronic component decreased. This resulted in reducing the size of a computer as compared to first generation computers. Less energy and did not produce as much heat as the first generation. Assembly language and punch cards were used for input. Low cost than first generation computers. Better speed and portability as compared to first generation. Disadvantages: a cooling system was required. Constant maintenance was required. Only used for specific purposes. Third generation computers, that is from 1965 to 1971. The third generation computers used integrated circuits instead of transistors. A single IC can pack huge number of transistors, which increase the power of a computer and reduce the cost. The computers also became more reliable, efficient and smaller in size. These generation computers used remote processing, time sharing, multi-programming as operating system. Also, the high-level programming languages like Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, Algol 68 were used in this generation. Some of the popular third generation computers are IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series, TDC 316 and PDP. Advantages and disadvantages of third generation computers. Advantages: these computers were cheaper as compared to second generation computers. They were fast and reliable. Use of IC in the computer provides the small size of the computer. IC not only reduces the size of the computer, but it also improves the performance of the computer as compared to previous computers. This generation of computers has big storage capacity. Instead of punch cards, mouse and keyboard are used for input. They used an operating system for better resource management and use the concept of time sharing and multiple programming. These computers reduce the computational time from microseconds to nanoseconds. Disadvantages: IC chips are difficult to maintain. The highly sophisticated technology required for the manufacturing of IC chips. Air conditioning is required. Fourth generation computers, that is from 1971 to 1980. The fourth generation computers used very large scale integrated, that is VLSI circuits, a chip containing millions of transistors and other circuit elements. These chips made this generation computers more compact, powerful, fast and affordable. These generation computers used real time, time sharing and distributed operating system. The programming languages like C, C++, database were also used in this generation. Some of the popular fourth generation computers are Star 1000, PDP 11, Cray 1 and Cray X. Advantages and disadvantages of fourth generation computers. Advantages: fastest in computation and size get reduced as compared to the previous generation of computer. Heat generated is negligible. Small in size as compared to previous generation computers and less maintenance is required. All types of high level language can be used in this type of computers. Disadvantages: the microprocessor design and fabrication are very complex. Air conditioning is required in many cases due to the presence of ICs. Advanced technology is required to make the ICs. Fifth generation computers, that is from 1980 onwards. In fifth generation computers, the VLSI technology was replaced with ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration. It made possible the production of microprocessor chips with 10 million electronic components. The aim of the fifth generation is to make a device which could respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. This generation computers used parallel processing hardware and artificial intelligence software. The programming languages used in this generation were C, C++, Java, .NET, etc. Some of the popular fifth generation computers are desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook and Chromebook. In this lecture, we have discussed generations of computer.